Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like, share. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great in the quarantine, and I thought of filming this video because it was very important that you take a very good care of your skin, specifically during this time, because you do not have an access to go to the parlors, you do not have an access to go to the spas and whatever it is. But as you all know, if you have been following me for a little while, I do my uh, the max skincare things at home. I do not usually go to parlor because I'm not really confident about what they are going to use on my skin, and that's the reason I kind of avoid it. But again, the future videos will be on the normal cleanup and everything at home, because even my skin is at a very bad condition because I didn't sleep well today and I'm filming the video in the early morning. I am not really well in the morning, so I thought to share few uh, request that I have got, that what is the best skin serum that I use or that one must be using. So I thought of sharing my normal things. So I have shared a video where how I store my lip liners and then the normal eye pencil and all of that. So in the same box I do kind of use, I kind of store all my serums and everything, and from this only I thought of sharing directly what all the serums I use. Usually, like, I don't use serum every day, but one should be using. It's summer, so I kind of stay away from all the serums, and usually once or twice in a week I kind of use it. So I thought of just sharing the video. If you really find the video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, do comment me if there is any suggestion, and do subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's just quickly get started. So the first serum I will be talking about is from the Good Vibes. So if you have been following me, that Good Vibes is something which is my favorite, and this is my favorite serum. I love it and I have used a lot of it. Like, I'm like, my skin is sensitive, so I um, don't like all the serums which are a little sticky, that will stick onto your face and will make your skin a little uncomfortable. I do not use it. Now, I don't recommend using serum to all the ladies or girls out there who are at their younger age. I'm in the mid age, which is like 29, 30. It's very important that you do take care of your skin, and it's very important that the serum is doing good to your skin and not doing the reverse of it. So very important that you share the serum, use the serum which is really comfortable. So this serum I'm really comfortable. It has argan facial oil with gold leaves. I don't believe gold leaves and all, but yes, it do have the argan facial oil, because Good Vibes products are always the natural products. And I have seen in the benefits, it fights signs of aging, rejuvenates skin, nighttime moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer for your nighttime, and it does repair your skin. It is easily available in the purple. I got it from the purple. If okay, no, I was reading the ml of the product. It is a 10 ml of the product, and at the same time they have lot of disclaimers and everything. So I got it like 7 months before. You need a really little quantity. It comes in a dropper. So this is how the dropper is, and you have to just, I did not took anything, but you can take this directly and apply it over your skin. And I have shared a video about my skincare regime after taking shower. So you can use the normal jade roller or any of the skincare products that you use to completely absorb to your skin. But if just in case you want a detailed video of how to use serum on your face, then I will kind of do it. Now coming to the cost, I am not really sure about how it is. Okay, yeah, it's written. It's for $295. Dollars? No, 295 rupees. And it comes with the manufacturing and the expiry date. Everything is being mentioned over here clearly. Please do not forget to read the instructions before you use any of the product. Do not use the product which do not comes in expiry and manufacturing date, and also the instruction how you store it. Ingredients are very simple. I love Good Vibes product because their ingredients are very transparent. They do not hide any of the ingredients. It has argan oil, gold leaf, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin D. Trust me, all these ingredients are very important for your skin. So that's the reason it is one of my favorite. Little costly, but again at the same time, the quantity is so huge and you just need 3 drops of it. Just 1, 2 and 3 and you are good to go. This and this forehead. So from here you can use, I will make a separate video of how to use it, but trust me, this is one of my favorite. This comes I have thrown the packaging also. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this. The next is again from the from the Good Vibes, and this is something called eucalyptus. This is again one of my favorite skincare and hair care. Now this is also for the hair serum. Eucalyptus is again having a lot of medicinal properties, antibacterial properties, so it's very important that you use essential oils, not for the fancy use of making your skin glow or shine or something external, but again use the essential oils which are also having some medicinal effect and can be able to supplement a lot of things which you do not take naturally from the nature. So that is something which I love. When I open the packaging, it somewhere looks like this. This is a pretty very beautiful packaging and I really love the color combination of it. This is again a 10 ml of product. Now this is very important for your itchy scalp. Nowadays you tend to sweat a lot, and also do your scalp. Now your scalp also sweats a lot, so what you can do is whenever you kind of apply oil, use 2 or 3 drops of this product. Now when I open, it comes in like this and you have to remove the cap, and first of all it smells divine. I do have a problem of sinus and migraine, so those, I'm very sure this is very common nowadays, so those all who have a problem of sinus and migraine, if it hits you, make very sure that you open this and sniff it. It will give you a lot of relief. Trust me, it does. It does. So this is not only for your scalp, not only for your migraine, and but it is also for your skin. For example, you are using any of the cream which you want a little bit of mint or coolness, you can add 1 or 2 drops and then you can use this as well. The major use is to fight the dandruff, itchy scalp, eliminate the lees or anything which you have in your hair, treats skin infection. So this also helps to treat infection. A lot of people are also having infections in their skin due to the acne or other problems, and also it relieves stress and mental exertion. So this is again one of my favorite essential oils, and trust me, I love it a lot of. I have used 90% of it. I can't shop now. Don't shop now. Don't do online shopping. जो भी है उसी में जुगाड़ चलाओ भाई. But it relieves the stress. I will cut this video, I'm not sure, but I'll fast forward it. But this is again one of my favorite essential oil. The next is again with a lot of raving, trendiness, whatever you can see. It is a tea tree oil. Now you must be thinking why this comes in a boring packaging like this. Why I've purchased this? Because this is from the Khadi. I have used it so much that I need to dispose this. This is 15 ml of product, comes in a Khadi brand. Now I do not use the essential oils which is very fancy, comes in a fancy packaging, does nothing to your skin. I don't want such products. So Khadi is again one of the very old brand which I trust a lot. I use the shampoos even in Khadi if you have been following for a little while. So that is something which is again important. It is a tea tree herbal essential oil and it provides relief, and there are a lot of advantages of tea tree, guys. Everything has been listed this, but if you ask me where I use tea tree, trust me, I use tea tree in the skin care, specifically for the face wash. When I want to have a little cleanup, I use tea tree oil, and mostly I use for the skin and for the hair. Even if your hair is having a little trouble, use in your oil or massage or whatever it is, a little bit of this oil. So this is also for your skin and for your hair. The major things, it relieves from the cold and sinus patient. So the first point is only for the sinus. The next thing is soothes muscle aches and arthritis, prevent the boils and other skin infections. It cleans and clarify your skin. Very important. Use a product which clarify your skin. Now this also requires in a very less quantity. So I'm like almost full of this product. I think this is the second bottle I'm using. When it comes to smell, it doesn't give any smell first of all. Let me just sniff it because my old bottle is like gone. There's a little bit of it smells little fresh. It has a little smell. It doesn't smell very pleasant. It smell a little minty, and then some absurd smell is there. But do not worry about the smell. Tea tree in its natural form doesn't smell luxurious. Tea tree is something which is good for the skin and the scalp. It is not something which give you a beautiful essence and like lavender and you will be on the 8th cloud or 9th cloud. Nothing as such. The raw form of the tea tree somewhere looks like this, and the oil is somewhere pretty transparent. So do not go for the fancy tea tree oil. Go for the natural tea tree oil like Khadi, and there are Good Vibes also. They are pretty much in the natural form. Now Good Vibes product are completely free of sulfate and all of that. So you can trust Good Vibes, and there are a lot of other essential oils like Alp Goodness. They are very natural, and there are a lot of other things by the way which are pretty much natural. Do not go for the essential oils which are very costly and does nothing to your skin. Forgetting about the price for this eucalyptus one, this is very inexpensive, 145 rupees. Now this tea tree is again little expensive. I cannot see the price tag, but it's just 15 ml of product, and it is for 400 change. Now the quantity you need is very less, so if even it is 400, doesn't matter, it does wonder to your skin and also to your hair. The last serum which I have without prolonging the video is this hydration burst serum. This is from Cape of Good serum. This I got I think in the subscription box, and I'm still using this. Comes in a beautiful droplet, guys. See, this is the real droplet, and this is supremely good serum. I have used a lot of it. भाई है क्या मेरे पास? हाँ है. So this is for the hydration. Now my skin sometimes, if I do like at home, if I do cleanup and all of this, I do scrubbing, your face does get drenched out. The oil and water is completely removed from your skin. Don't do that. Your skin needs to get moisturized, then only your skin will repair. If it doesn't repair, your skin will go in a lot of verge of aging and all of that. So do not let your skin dry just to have a matte look, or don't do all the fancy things. Seriously guys, don't do all the fancy things. It will do no good to your skin. Now this hydration serum is something which requires in a very less quantity. Take like 2 or 3 drops, apply it, and you are sorted. Massage it with the jade roller or your fingertips. Do not even go for jade rollers if you do not have. Use your middle finger or this finger. These two fingers are very light for the girls. You can easily do like this and get it penetrated. Pat it completely so that it get absorbed to your skin. Do not go for any fancy products. The main use of this serum is just to make your skin look hydrated and plump. So this is one of the amazing skin serums. So these are the skin serums, only the 4 skin serums which I use. Do not go for a lot of fancy skin serums, buying 10-12 serums and not using any of them. Don't do that. Use 4, completely make better use of it, and then when your skin is showing some effect, then only go for other serums, or else please don't use fancy things or unnecessary things lying in your cupboard and doing nothing. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope this video was a little helpful to declutter a lot of the unessential things which you have in your wardrobe. Please, if you have a lot of such things, please declutter it and clean your wardrobes. Make it a little hygienic so that in the further times you feel fresh, you feel little hygiene. And that's a little message I wanted to share with you all, guys. If you use makeup brushes, please clean it. If I can, I will do a video on that. Without further prolonging the video is going really longer, and I will end this video and I will see you in the next video. Please Do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, comment me in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.